Welcome back to Biker24. If you want a bike that gives you the best performance, features, and mileage for your money, you're in the right place. Here are the top 5 best value for money bikes in India 2025 with engine power, top speed, mileage features. Let's start. Number 5. At number 5, the Hero Xtreme 125R. It's powered by a 124.7cc air-cooled single-cylinder engine that produces 11.55 horsepower of power and 10.5 Nm of torque, with a top speed of around 100 km per hour. It delivers an excellent mileage of 60 to 65 km per liter. Features include LED projector headlamp, digital console, and sporty styling. On-road price is around 1.15 lakh. If you want daily comfort with sporty looks, this one's a great start. Number 4. At number 4, the Honda CB125 Hornet. It comes with a 124cc air-cooled single-cylinder, fuel-injected engine, producing 11.1 horsepower of power, and 11.2 Nm of torque, and a top speed of 105 km per hour. Mileage is around 50 to 55 km per liter, and Honda reliability never disappoints. You get premium features like LED lights, TFT display, Bluetooth connectivity, and USD forks. On-road price is around 1.20 lakh. Smooth, refined, and premium, classic Honda. Number 3. At number 3, the Bajaj Pulsar N250. This street fighter packs a 249cc, oil-cooled, single-cylinder engine, producing 24.5 horsepower of power and 21.5 Nm of torque, and a top speed of 130 km per hour. Mileage is around 38 to 42 km per liter, with an aggressive and muscular design. Features include a slipper clutch, LED projector headlamp, digital console, and 14-liter fuel tank. On-road price is around 1.70 lakh. It's a powerful performer that still offers great value. Number 2. At number 2, the Hero Xpulse 210. It's powered by a 210cc, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, DOHC engine, making 24.6 horsepower of power and 20.7 Nm of torque, and reaching a top speed of around 130 km per hour. Mileage is around 35 to 40 km per liter. It's an adventure-ready bike with long travel suspension, Bluetooth TFT display, and dual-channel ABS. On-road price is around 2.10 lakh. For off-road explorers and highway lovers, this is a true all-rounder. Number 1. And at number 1, the Bajaj Pulsar NS400Z. This flagship Pulsar is powered by a 373cc, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine producing 40 horsepower of power and 35 Nm of torque and a top speed of 160 km per hour. Mileage is around 28 to 32 km per liter. It's loaded with features, 4 ride modes, traction control, slipper clutch, and full digital display. On-road price is around 2.60 lakhs. For pure performance and features under 400cc, the NS400Z dominates the game. So there you have it, the top 5 best value for money bikes in India 2025. From the efficient Xtreme 125 or to the beastly Pulsar NS400Z. Which one would you pick? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.